Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you how I get this low, fluffy ponytail using some Kinky Curly Yaki hair clip-ins. So if you're interested to see how I get this look, just keep watching. For this style, I'm going to be using the 16-inch set of my Coils clip-ins. To style, I'm using the Renpure leave-in conditioner and a bit of Jamaican black castor oil. And I'm also using some Eco Style gel. What can I say? It works. As you can see, I'm starting this style on freshly washed hair, and that's one of the things I really like about it. I don't have to worry about doing a twist out or stretching my hair first. I can hop out the shower and just get to it. So to start, whenever I make my ponytails, I always like to work in sections because my hair is super thick. So I'm sectioning off the back. I'm going to apply my styling products first. Make sure that's well distributed throughout my hair and that it's completely detangled. The key to making this style look good is to make sure that each section is as smooth as you can get it. So I start with my Denman brush and then I go in with a boar bristle brush before I create the ponytail. Now I'm going to go ahead and place one of the tracks around the ponytail base. After doing that, I'm going to add some more of my own hair to the section and then use an elastic to gather it all together. For this section, I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing, but this time I'm going to actually add two of the clip-in tracks for a bit more density. When it comes to the front, you can decide if you want to do a middle part or a side part. Really, you just want to try and get the hair as smooth as possible. So I'm really going through it with my Denman brush, and then I'm going to go in with my boar bristle brush, and I'm going to use a lot of gel. This is actually the 5th time I've done this style or so, and the first few times I made the ponytail way too tight and it actually gave me a headache. So this time I was deliberate in making it a bit looser so it didn't feel like I was pulling my brain out of my head. So that's why it looks a little bit loose, but you'll see it comes together in the end. For this look, I like to get the bouncy curls at the back, so what I do is section off small parts of hair. I spray it with some water and add my styling product, so in this case some gel, and then I'm going to twist the section about 2/3 of the way down. Once I get towards the end, I'm going to add a perm rod to the twist. I'm using the orange perm rods because I wanted a looser curl, but of course you can use a smaller perm rod if you want a tighter curl. My tip while doing the twist is to make sure you're using enough styling product or gel, especially where your hair ends and blends into the clip-ins. So if you add enough gel, you should have a consistent curl so it doesn't look too fuzzy. After finishing the section at the back, I'm going to go ahead and add some gel to the front, and I'm also going to use a bit of this curling snot to get the front section super slick and sleek. And when I tell you this snot does not move, my hair actually sticks to my head, and it's good in this case because I don't want my hair to move. In other cases, it's not that great. And this is the step that pulls it all together. You want to make sure you sleep with a headscarf on and tie it nice and tight so that it smooths out all your hair, keeps everything in place, and this will give it a really nice, sleek finished look. Here's my hair the next morning after taking off the scarf. So you can already see it's really smooth and flat. So I'm going to go ahead and take out these perm rods. After I take out all the perm rods, I add a little bit of oil to my hands, and then I go ahead and unravel the curls and the twists a bit. Now, you're going to want to be a bit more gentle. I'm being kind of rough because I was in a rush, but go ahead, take your time, and make sure you get all the twists undone. Now I'm going to go ahead and take one of the curls and wrap that around the base of the ponytail so that will hide the elastic band. So I'm going to go ahead and pick and fluff to get a bit more volume in the back. And once that's done, you are good to go. This is definitely one of my favorite styles to do with my Kinky Curly Yaki clip-ins, and it usually lasts me about 3 days. So let me know what you think below. I'll also leave a coupon code for Kinky Curly Yaki products down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.